Welcome to the short guide on how to use your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 machine. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through everything you need to get started, from setting up your machine for the first time to brewing delicious traditional coffee, customizing your cup, cleaning your machine, and understanding system alerts. NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 is designed to bring the taste of traditional coffee with the convenience of a capsule system. With just few steps, you'll be ready to enjoy consistent, perfectly brewed coffee every time. Let's begin. Before your first cup, start by preparing the machine. Remove the water tank by pulling it upwards. Rinse it thoroughly with warm water. After drying, slide it back until it sits in place and fill it with fresh drinking water up to the maximum line mark. Next, connect the machine to an electric supply and power on the machine by flipping the back switch on the bottom right. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the machine to run in an automatic cleaning cycle. This ensures your first cup is fresh and your machine is ready for use. Place a big cup under the splitter and start the cycle. Once the home screen appears and the machine is in ready mode, you're all set for brewing. Brewing traditional coffee with NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 is simple, as long as you're using only NAJJAR RAQWA coffee capsules. Begin by lifting the capsule opener lid and opening it all the way back until it clicks. Insert one NAJJAR RAQWA capsule, single or double, in the slot and push it all the way down until it sits firmly in place. Close the lid. Center your cup exactly beneath the coffee nozzle, a small or big cup depending on the coffee size you chose. On the touchscreen, select your preferred cup size and RAQWA preference. Choose the recommended cup if you prefer a standard coffee, or customize your own if you prefer to have it your way. Press Start your RAQWA. Your machine will begin preparing your coffee by mixing the ground coffee inside the capsule with the water, brewing it in a built-in pot, and delivering it into your cup. The screen will read that your RAQWA is brewing and count down until you can enjoy your cup. When the cycle finishes, 3 consecutive beeps will sound. You're now ready to enjoy your fresh NAJJAR RAQWA. NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 allows you to personalize your experience. From the home screen, open the customization menu. Here, you can adjust your cup size, coffee intensity, and other settings depending on your preference. To customize your cup, select Customize. The screen will successively prompt your preferences. Your chosen foam level, no foam, medium foam, or rich foam. Choose small or big cup, then adjust the water level to determine intensity, light, medium, strong. You can then choose your brewing time, normal brewing or slow brewing as though prepared on a hot bed of sand. Finally, specify which NAJJAR RAQWA capsule you have inserted, single or double, and you can now start your RAQWA. After which, your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 will display your personalized RAQWA code. If this is your preferred cup, the next time you make a cup of coffee, choose Enter Code on your home screen and enter this code to get your perfect cup just the way you like it, immediately, every time. Automatic cleaning. For best performance, clean your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 regularly. The machine offers 2 cleaning modes, automatic cleaning and manual cleaning. For automatic cleaning, go to Menu, Cleaning, Auto. Make sure the water tank is filled with fresh water. Place a big cup under the splitter and start the cycle. The machine will clean the internal pathways and kettle automatically. Manual cleaning. For manual cleaning, select Manual in the cleaning menu. To begin, open the machine door. Start by gently removing the splitter, followed by the kettle. Wash both splitter and kettle with warm water. Rinse and dry thoroughly before placing each back in place. To reinstall the kettle, place it back in place and gently press backward until it clicks. To reinstall the splitter, insert it in the rails and slide it back into place until it clicks. When all pieces are reassembled correctly, close the door. Place a big cup underneath the splitter and press Done on the screen. The machine will perform a final water flush to complete the cleaning process. Your manual cleaning is now complete, and your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 is ready to brew again. For regular overall cleaning, clean the outside of the machine with a damp soft cloth without using abrasive detergents. Next, Pull the water tank out and clean it with water. Rinse and dry thoroughly before placing it back in its place. Remove the drip tray and wash it with warm water. Rinse and dry completely before sliding it back into position. Release the capsule opener locks and pull the opener out. Clean it with a brush or a damp cloth. Make sure it's completely dry before sliding it back in place. Finally, for any coffee residue, use a brush or a damp cloth to clean. Your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 displays helpful alerts when attention is needed. Common notifications include low water level. To resolve, refill the water tank with fresh water. Machine too hot. To resolve, give the machine time to cool down. The screen will unlock off this alert when your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 is ready for use again. High-low voltage detected. To resolve, the screen will lock on this alert until the voltage comes back to normal. Capsule opener missing. To resolve, check if the capsule opener is placed correctly. If not, adjust and try again. Kettle not positioned correctly. To resolve, open the door and reposition the kettle correctly. Cleaning required. To resolve, follow the on-screen instructions to start the manual cleaning process. Coffee capsule missing. To resolve, insert a new coffee capsule. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to resolve the alert. Once the issue is fixed, the machine will return to ready mode. These alerts keep your machine protected and functioning smoothly. The NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 menu also offers multiple options. Capsule counter, specifying how many cups of coffee it has brewed, ideal to track automatic cleaning requirements. You can also reset the counter after every clean. Reset button. Your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2 is also equipped with the reset button, should you wish to restore factory settings and start again. You now know everything you need to enjoy your NAJJAR RAQWA Q2. From setup to brewing, customization, and cleaning, you have all the tools you need to enjoy consistent, authentic coffee at home. Thank you for watching and enjoy your perfectly brewed traditional coffee. NAJJAR RAQWA Q2, the finest traditional coffee, perfect every time.